and today I'm going to introduce you to the Lumi Spa Accent attachment. That is a specific attachment that you can put on the end of the Lumi Spa and utilize for the eye area. It is fantastic for eye bags, dark circles under the eyes, and the crow's feet, or patas de gallo as my Spanish friends call them. So, how does it work? Well, first off, you're going to have to remove the normal treatment head. Just pop it off like that. Very simple and easy to do. And when you look at the device here, just at the top there is a little like an arrow, and there's another one that's going to be here that you can kind of see, and there's another one on this side as well. So you want to line up the Lumi Spa Accent treatment head with that. So you'll see here there's a little area there, and there's one there, and there's one there as well. They will all line up with this, or just the cheat way of doing it is there's the logo, if you can see it, the logo on there, and that there just lines up perfectly with the very top one. So you push it in, make sure it's firmly on, and that's it. It is attached. And then you can press the button and it starts vibrating. Let's just see. And that's when you move it around the eye area, which I'll show you how to do. But first off, I want to change this head because, as you can see, it's quite old and it's worn down a bit, and it's actually changed color. It's that old. So I'm going to open a new bag of little heads that I just got. This tiny little thing. So it comes with 2 treatment heads in this bag. Just tear it open. A little hint is make sure when you're dealing with these treatment heads that you are not doing it over your bathroom sink, because they are small enough that they can actually fall down through it, and I've had that happen with my own, and you don't want to do that, alright? So again, you see those grooves there? Focus on it, there we go. You're just going to line that up on the device, pop it over, and it's on, just like that. So this is the ageLOC Ideal Eyes, which is specifically formulated to go with the Lumi Spa Accent. It is a very rich cream. It's got a bunch of different peptides in there, which are fantastic for rebuilding and restoring the collagen around and the structure around your skin, the eyes, because the skin around our eyes is different to the rest of our face. It's much more delicate, and so you need to be using something that's far more gentle, like this little treatment head. As you can see here, is very delicate, so it's not going to damage the eyes, and you can actually use this on a daily basis. This cream you can use by itself without the Lumi Spa. However, of course, you're going to be enhancing the results when you're using these two together. And when you purchase the Lumi Spa Accent attachment, the cream comes with it. So I'm going to apply a bit to my face right now just to show you how to utilize this. It's very fast. It's only 30 seconds for one little treatment. So I like to do 1 minute on each eye, just like the 2 minutes of the Lumi Spa. So glasses are off. I can't see anything. Hopefully you can see something. And I'm just going to apply little dots. Because it is so rich, you don't need to use a great deal. Just here and there. And I have seen some people do a bit up here, but I think that's enough. You don't want to overdo it because, as I said, it's a very rich cream, so it's not necessary to go all out. Now I'm using the NAPCA Moisture Mist just to make sure that there's sufficient moisture right there, and we can click the button and it'll go for its first 30 seconds, and then it will be a second 30 second there, and you see the movement. So I like to start just right here and just kind of gently moving it around. You can go close in there. I like to begin on the actual eye socket muscle, and then around here on the crow's feet, which is something I need to work on because I smile a lot and have old sun damage. That's 30 seconds gone already. And you can go up here as well and stimulate lifting the eyebrow. So I just do a little bit more. It feels fantastic. It's really, really nice. It's just a lovely massage. So if you suffer from eye bags or dark circles under the eyes, this is for you. If you want to help with the crow's feet, this is also for you. And that is just about done. That's it there. That's 1 minute. And as you can see, there's not much left on there. There's a little bit left on here, so I can just smooth it, pat it to help stimulate that in. you're done. So that's one treatment. Actually, I can see a result. So treated side, untreated side. Check out under my eyes. Notice the differences there. Difference that I notice is you see kind of a slight bag there. It looks tied on that side. It's a bit darker on this side, whereas that, it's smoothed it out. It's lighter. It looks brighter. And just looking at that, it does look like my eyebrow is lifted a little bit. But comment below, you can let me know what you can see, what difference you can notice. That is a very quick result, and you can use this on a daily basis. So that is the ageLOC accent attachment for the Lumi Spa. I highly recommend